Hey friends, thanks for coming back to the channel. What's the resolution for this new year? Meditation, yoga, or increasing the weight or decreasing the weight by unknown method and worried about the results not getting your way, or start your own diet and confused what to add and what not to add, just doing trial and error method by looking to the internet or listening to others. Let's do one more trial and error for how to lose weight by keto diet. Yes guys, I found this keto diet which really looks effective and can be considered as a new year resolution with money back guarantee if it didn't work. Let's jump into my browser and see what exactly I'm talking about. This is called as a bulletproof keto diet which cost you just a 17 bucks. Now let's check out the video what it
The
says.
old idea of eating a lot of fruits, starchy food, and starchy vegetables is actually making you sick. It leads to inflammation. It increases the chances of developing certain types of cancer. And it inflames the system so much that it can put people at risk of cardiovascular diseases. By loading up on eggs, avocados, and other high-fat, low-carb foods, you can live healthier while losing weight on a sustainable basis. The key is achieving ketosis. When people achieve ketosis, they not only lose weight, but they get a nice burst of energy. They think more clearly. Their skin improves, and a whole long list of tremendous health benefits. If you are looking for a great way to adopt the keto diet and recalibrate your metabolism for sustainable weight loss, you are going through the right training. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will go through the basics of a keto diet so as to maximize your chances of success. You won't stick to a rigid system like a typical diet training. You will work with your existing diet and you will switch gradually over to a ketogenic diet and you will stay there. You will experience less psychological internal resistance to your lifestyle change. You will see the pounds going and you will see them remain gone. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing the Bulletproof Keto Diet. Lose weight and reboot your metabolism. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. How does weight loss normally work? The standard American diet and why you can't lose weight. The keto alternative. Keep this in mind before you start your keto diet. Keto diet step number 1. Displace, do not replace. Keto diet meal plan strategies that work. Wind down on carbs. Turbocharge your keto lifestyle results with these following tweaks. Take things to the next level with this modification. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually lose weight and reboot your metabolism. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to lose weight. You want to get a nice burst of energy. You want to think more clearly. You want your skin to improve. You want to get the whole long list of tremendous health benefits. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, the Bulletproof Keto Diet Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, the Bulletproof Keto Diet Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, the Bulletproof Keto Diet Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to lose weight, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself when it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, Simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you lose weight and live the kind of life you want for yourself. I'll see you on the inside.